Welcome to MyTrax GPS, the real-time vehicle tracking system that's inexpensive, user-friendly, and easy to set up. MyTrax GPS consists of a few basic features that you'll be able to fully customize for your company or service. Let's go through them so you're familiar with them when you go through your setup process. We'll start with the basic map elements. You'll draw and customize your own lines on your map. These lines can represent vehicle routes, service area boundaries, construction zones, or anything else you might want to communicate to your customers. You'll also add markers to your map to indicate the locations of vehicle stops, landmarks, or other features you want to point out to your customers. MyTrax GPS provides more than 150 marker icons to choose from, or you can upload custom icons of your own. With MyTrax GPS, you'll be able to set up multiple trackers. Trackers represent a vehicle, person, or other moving object whose real-time location you want to display to your customers. Each tracker is represented by an icon on your map and will only display when they are actively being tracked. Lines, markers, and trackers are the main elements you'll be managing on your map. Each one of these elements will have an info window. The info window allows you to provide useful information about a line, marker, or tracker to your customers. It pops up on the screen when your customer clicks on an object on your map. With MyTrax GPS, you'll be able to create customized maps to be viewed in a web browser. We refer to these as web map views to distinguish them from the map you would view in the mobile app. You can create embedded maps like this one to be embedded onto a web page in any size you need. Place an embedded map on your transportation department page or on your shuttle information page. You also have the option of creating full-screen web maps like this demo map on our website. As you can see, the map takes up the full page and can be viewed in a web browser on a computer or mobile device. Users can click on the various elements to read information about them. They can also move the map around and zoom in or out. A great use for the full-screen map is to display your map on a public monitor or kiosk for your customers. Another great reason to create a full-screen web map view is to provide the map URL for users who may not be able to use the Android mobile app. Users without the free MyTrax GPS Android app can click on your link or enter the URL into their mobile browser to view the map that way. They'll be able to view the full-screen map and interact with it just as they would in the app or on their computer. They can zoom, scroll, and click on elements to view information about them, and of course they can view the map in landscape or portrait mode. MyTrax GPS offers a free Android mobile app for both your drivers and your customers to track your vehicles. All you have to do is go to the Google Play Store, search for MyTrax GPS, and install the app on their mobile device. Drivers simply enter their tracker number into the app, and they'll see the map with their route, markers, and tracker, showing their real-time movements on the map. If enabled, they'll also see the optional passenger count feature, which will allow them to count passengers as they board and leave the vehicle. Customers will enter your map code into the app to see your map with a You Are Here icon showing their location, along with all of your active routes, markers, and trackers showing each vehicle's real-time location and movements. Just like the web map, they'll be able to interact with the map, zooming, scrolling, and clicking on items for more information. They can choose to view the map in landscape or portrait mode. MyTrax GPS offers a free, no-risk 60-day trial. This gives you time to get set up, tweak your maps, and try our service and app with no cost or commitment on your part. Just go to mytraxgps.com, click on 60-day free trial at the top of the page, and then click here to start your free trial.